Hi friends, welcome to the vlog. In this vlog, we are traveling a flight. Yes, these are the pics shared by my younger brother, Pritesh Satoskar, while he was flying from Pune to Goa in a flight, and he knew that I make vlogs, so he captured some videos and photos. So I'm uploading all the photos here in this vlog just for you all to have a look. The beautiful sky, you will feel like you're flying in the sky. In Hindi we say आसमानों को चीरते हुए आगे निकलना और अपनी मंजिल हासिल करना. Yes, a beautiful pics shared by my brother Pritesh from the flight. Yeah, when the flight was in the air, when it was taking off, and when it was landing. Yes, all the beautiful photos we see here in this vlog. Beautiful sky, the sun, flight wings. You will feel as if you're in the up in the sky, flying high, and sort of experience while you're sitting in the flight and you see the beautiful pictures here. This is a takeoff picture from Pune. We see the fly, and now the flight is in the air. Yes, flying high. Now again, this was one of the takeoff picture, I think, and this is in the air, somewhere in the middle in Maharashtra somewhere. Beautiful scene, and this is in Goa. You see lush green pictures, mountains below. So these are the photos. This is somewhere in Goa, and this is I think in the Mopa. You see, nice picture, and this is up in the air. The sun smiling at you, saying hello, dear. And this is from the Mopa airport. This is from Goa. Beautiful pictures from the sky, from the universe. Yes. The flight experience is an awesome. When we were small, we were always thinking or dreaming of flying in the plane, and now we get the chance. Wonderful experience flying up high in the air in the flight. Yes, the landiest airplane. I'm sure you all must have had an experience flying the same way. This picture is from the Goa. This is Mopa Airport, and this one is from the Mopa Airport. Thank you. Have a wonderful day, dear. Thanks a lot.